The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. With over 17,000 markets and extended trading hours, turn US earnings season volatility into opportunity. Get started at IG.com.
And our stock of the day is Nanosonics. It's launched its newest software, Trophon 3, which is a software for automated ultrasound disinfections. It comes along with an updated software program for existing customers. Now, the Trophon 2 software upgrade has been approved in Europe, the UK, Australia, and New Zealand, but is waiting FDA approval. RBC Capital Markets has said this should drive sales and traceability revenues. The broker has a $5 target price on the stock. Now, my guests here for our stock of the day, Chen from MPC Markets and David Lane from Minnett. Gentlemen, just checking in on the share price today, just after or just approaching 1 o'clock here in Sydney, up by 4% on this news. David, do you guys at Ords cover Nanosonics?
Yes, we do. Yeah, we like the stock. We've got an accumulate recommendation on it with a target price of $4.55. And I think that this announcement today is a real positive for the business because they've got the Trophon machines that help to disinfect the what do they disinfect the ultrasound?
Yeah, it's in the hospital setting. Yeah.
So there's about 35,000 of those around in hospitals around the world at the moment, and about 10,000 of those are their Trophon 1 machines. So this new announcement has the potential to upgrade a lot of those machines, which are over 7 years old. So there's the potential that they get some additional sales from the new Trophon 3, and also those hospitals that have got the Trophon 2 can upgrade their software as well. So I think overall it is a positive. The other thing that Nanosonics gets from this technology is the fact that the hospitals need to purchase a cartridge that's got hydrogen peroxide in it to every time they disinfect the ultrasound machine. So I think it gives ongoing revenue to the business. It's a positive as far as their long-term revenues are concerned. And the other positive that they've had recently is that the company has announced that they've got FDA approval for their Chorus device as well, which will be another potential sale avenue for the company. And I know that the market has been concerned about that Chorus device for quite some time, and it's part of the reason why we've seen some negativity in the share price. So I think this announcement today should be positive for it. Having said that, though, it is a very volatile stock. So if you look at the chart over the last 12 months and particularly over the last 5 years, it has been very, very volatile. So you are going into this stock knowing that it's high risk. It's not cheap on a PE basis, but based on the long-term revenue forecasts, it should continue to grow its revenue and grow its profitability. So, yeah, as I said, we quite like it with an accumulate recommendation and a target price of $4.55.
Kai, $4.55. Now, yes, Nanosonics has had some blips, but so far this year, the share price has done really well. I think it's up more around 35%. Do you like it?
Yeah, so this isn't one that we cover on a regular basis, but I think, given a lot of these biotech stock, they certainly are volatile, as David mentioned. So, similar with Clarity last year, but it's very different. I mean, Nanosonic obviously has revenue, so that is really good. And it's good seeing that they are releasing updates to stay up to date for their existing customers. I don't think the FDA approval will be an issue in terms of getting that through. It's just more a timing thing. Also, Nanosonic has a very experienced leadership team where, their CEO, they were ex Cochlear. Again, one of the largest healthcare stocks on the ASX. So a lot of experience there as well in terms of getting devices out there. So I think you can be fairly confident that there is enough experience on the leadership team to roll out some of these newer products. So I think, obviously with the share price reflected today, it's definitely a positive announcement. So yeah, but it's interesting to see going forward.
Yeah, all right. Thanks. That's a view on our stock of the day, Nanosonics. Stay with us.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Turn volatility into opportunity this US earnings season with extended trading hours on over 110 key US shares. Get started at IG.com.